I am Dr. Arshi, working as an ophthalmologist in Al Zahra Hospital, Sharjah. The most common problem which we found here is diabetes. Approximately 65 to 70% of the people here are suffering from diabetes. Many factors are contributing to it. Lifestyle, their diet, their stressful life, all these they additionally add apart from their family history that their parents were also suffering from diabetes. The symptoms of the patient who are suffering from diabetes: if the patient is having history of diabetes and he is having diminution of vision or blurring of vision all of a sudden or in a progressive way, the most important thing for him is to control his blood sugar, so he should see his endocrinologist also. Plus he should come the earliest to an eye specialist for the retina screening, as well as to see whether he is developing cataract or not, because the diabetic patients, they are prone to get cataract, as well as the hemorrhages in the retina, the macular edema. The most important thing is diabetic macular edema, which we are seeing so commonly here. So it has to be screened. Various investigations has to be done, but everything will be done by the retina specialist. Use of so much of air condition, and there is so much sand. This is desert area, so the people are having vernal keratoconjunctivitis, that is allergic conjunctivitis. The patient presents to us telling that I have so much redness in the eyes, I have so much itching in the eyes, and I'm unable to open the eyes in the morning. So if you have these symptoms, please consult your eye specialist as early as possible, because they will be the one to diagnose and to differentiate whether you have allergic conjunctivitis or it is a conjunctivitis of any other origin, like it can be bacterial, it can be viral, or any other thing. But just don't take it as a simple thing. Because of constant rubbing, the patient develops diminution of vision. Because the patient develops astigmatism because of constant rubbing, so he will be having decreased vision. So if you are having allergic conjunctivitis, consult your ophthalmologist. They will do your refraction, whether you need glasses or not. They will give you some drops, like it is like antihistaminic drops, as well as some drops for your dry eye as well, which often accompanies with severe allergic conjunctivitis. Last but not the least, I want to talk about the glaucoma, which is so common cause of the blindness. In this, the patient will complain of pain in the eyes, redness in the eyes, or halos in the light. When he will see towards the light, he can have halos. The pressure of the eye increases. That is called intraocular pressure. It increases. Or he can say that yes, I'm having diminution of vision even. Normally it is till 20, 11 to 20, but it can be even some people the glaucoma with the normal tension, but that depends on the ophthalmologist to screen it, what type of glaucoma is the person having. So for the general public, this is very common that you should know that if you are having pain in the eyes, redness in the eyes, diminution of vision, please consult your ophthalmologist. We will check your pressure of the eye, and if we see that you are having the symptoms of glaucoma, the signs of glaucoma are there, which is like the pressure of the eye will be raised, there will be cupping of the optic nerve, and there will be nerve fiber layer thinning. So if we find that these features are there, we will start your anti-glaucoma medications, and we will see if you need any laser or any surgery apart from these. There is going to be a glaucoma week, World Glaucoma Week, that is starting from 8th of March till 14th of March. Don't ignore your eye problems. The glaucoma is a sight-threatening condition. Go to a nearby ophthalmologist, get your intraocular pressure checkup done and your eye checkup done. Now I want to discuss about the common problem which is faced here by the children as well as by the adults. That is the refractive error, in which you have to wear the glasses. And some people, they are not so happy in wearing glasses, especially the young ones. So what to do? There is some technique nowadays available in which you can remove the glasses. It was available from before, but there were side effects of these techniques. We were having the techniques like PRK, LASIK, but nowadays another latest technique, that is Relax Smile, has come in the market and is available in our hospital as well. Relax Smile is so good and it does not cause side effects which LASIK causes. Because this is a flapless surgery. In this we are not making any flap, which we do in LASIK. And because of making the flap, the patient keep on complaining of dryness in the eyes, like redness, burning sensations, and these things does not happen in the Relax Smile. So it is very safe. the results are extremely good and without side effects. So although it is right now, it is a little bit expensive, but it is worth it. You worth paying this much cost to remove your glasses without side effects. So I would recommend to go for Relaxismile.